So Israel, if you want to go back to the sub account and then click on automation. So now we actually need to add a user to the sub account. So Israel, if you actually want to go back to that agency view and then go to the bottom and click on settings, and then you're going to want to click on team. You notice how on next to agency owner on location, there's absolutely nothing. We're going to want to fix that. So just make sure you want to click on that little pencil icon and then scroll down. You're going to want to scroll down all the way down to user roles and scroll down a bit more. And then when you see where it says add sub accounts, you're going to add that sub account, which is going to be yours. Make sure you click on save. And now you can basically see that Israel Robles or whoever you guys are will be added to that sub account, which means you are now a user. So now we're going to work on automation. So Israel, if you want to go back to the sub accounts and go over to automation, let's do the essential plan sign up workflow first. And where it says assign to user, let's click on that. And you see where it says users, you're going to click on yourself and save that action. This is basically whenever someone buys our essential plan, Israel, US agency owner will get a notification, and so will that client. So what that's going to look like, if you want to click on that internal notification. Now, you guys are just starting off, so you don't know what that means. Internal notification means you as the agency owner will get a text message. So Israel, if you want to click on internal notification, and then you will see what that text message will be. So anytime someone buys the Essentials plan, Israel, the agency owner, will receive a text message saying contact name, whoever is the contact, just sign up for the Essentials plan, make sure they get onboarded. Now, if you want to click on that next one that says SMS, this is what the client or this is what the customer will receive on their end. And what they're going to receive is a text message that says, congratulations, customer name. You have just signed up for the Essentials plan with, and for him, it will be ETA leads. And for you guys, it'll be the name of your software company. Check your email for login info and all of that stuff, right? So you want to click on save action. Now, of course, if you guys aren't doing any type of onboarding course, you guys have full liberty to change the wording of any of these messages. So if you want to keep it simple and say, hey, thanks for signing up, we will get back to you as soon as possible, you can definitely do that. And obviously make sure you do get back to them as soon as possible. So once again, if you don't like the wording of any of these text messages, either to the customer or either to you, you have full liberty to change that. So Israel, let's go back to workflows and let's do some updates for the other one. So let's also do it for the professional plan sign up. And then click on assign to user and make sure you put yourself as a user. So Israel, if you want to click on back to workflows, and we're going to do the exact same thing for the main website contact form. And then you can click on assign to user, obviously add yourself as a user. And make sure you press save. Hey guys, there's actually a really quick edit I need to show you for the automation. So you're gonna click over on automation and let's go with the essential plan sign up. And then you're gonna click over onto the SMS. So as of right now, guys, you guys don't have your custom tutorial onboarding videos. So we're gonna delete this part of the message and just have it say, check your email for login info. Let's press save. You're gonna save action and save up here. And let's make sure we do that for the professional. SMS. Check your email for login info. Save action, save. And that's basically it, guys. You just have to make those two changes right now.